Absolutely. Let's craft a compelling narrative for the rumored DJI Neo 2. Since this is a new, speculative product name, the script will lean heavily into establishing what a Neo line could represent for DJI, drawing on the success of existing products and the desire for innovation. The strategy will be to build anticipation by presenting the Neo 2 as the next evolution in compact, intelligent drones, filling a potential gap in DJI's lineup or pushing boundaries beyond their current offerings. Here is the complete set of deliverables for your 30-minute faceless YouTube video targeting a USA audience. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Enthusiastic, visionary, slightly mysterious, and deeply analytical. Builds suspense. Dynamic 3D renders of a sleek, futuristic drone. Close-ups of drone tech, sensors, gimbals, propellers. Fast-paced B-roll of stunning aerial footage. Animated graphs and text overlays highlighting features. For years, DJI has been the undisputed king of the skies. They've given us the Mini for portability, the Air for the perfect balance, and the Mavic Pro line for sheer power and cinematic ambition. But what if there's a new frontier? What if DJI is about to launch something that blends the best of all worlds, and then pushes them into a future we've only dreamed of? Forget what you think you know about compact drones. Forget incremental upgrades. We're talking about a revolution. We're talking about a drone that understands you, anticipates your shots, and flies with an intelligence that feels almost organic. We're talking about the DJI Neo 2. This isn't just a rumor, it's a whisper growing into a roar. Leaks, patents, and subtle hints suggest that DJI is preparing to unleash a product line that redefines what a prosumer drone can be. Over the next 30 minutes, I'm going to reveal the mind-blowing specifications, the groundbreaking features, and the potential impact of the DJI Neo 2. Stay with me, because if these predictions hold true, your next drone purchase is about to get a lot more exciting. Part 2. Intelligent Design, Flight Performance and Sensing, Approximate. 7 minutes. Let's start with the flight. The Neo implies newness, a fresh approach. We're predicting the Neo 2 will represent a quantum leap in flight intelligence and obstacle avoidance. Imagine not just omnidirectional sensing, but contextual awareness. This means the drone doesn't just see obstacles, it understands their nature. Trees, power lines, even dynamic elements like birds or other drones. The Neo 2 won't just stop, it will flow around them, maintaining your shot with seamless precision. This requires an upgraded processing core, potentially a dual-chip system dedicated to flight autonomy and visual processing. We're talking about DJI's most advanced APAS system yet, perhaps even incorporating predictive path planning that learns from your flying style. Think of it, a drone that not only avoids obstacles but actively helps you compose your shot by understanding the environment. And what about range? 04 transmission is impressive, but for a Neo line, we anticipate something even more robust. Perhaps a next-generation OcuSync with enhanced anti-interference capabilities, pushing the boundaries of connectivity even in urban environments. This isn't just about flying further, it's about flying with unwavering confidence, knowing your signal is rock solid. Part 3. The Visionary Eye, Camera